What's up, guys? This is your boy JaaM Tariq Javed. Welcome to my channel Crazy JaaM. In this video, I will blast this glass. Okay, in front of you, this video is going to be very interesting. This garbage is going to be blasted. I am tired from this kind of glass. Okay, guys, first of all, I will try with tiny bomb, then I will use the huge one. Let me try this. guys, look at the glass, my glass. And this glass is, I am big fan of this glass, and this style is going to be viral. Look at the piece of the glass. This is good. Now a time for huge one. Okay. Guys. Oh, shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Where is it? Oh shit. Guys, nothing is happened. What is this? What is this? I guess nothing happened to this side of sunglasses. Look at the bomb. Okay, it saved from the damage. I will use it as it is. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to my channel and like, share my video. We will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.